Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you two methods on how to update your emojis on your Android device. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, method one right here, or the best method, is by checking for an Android system update. Now, to go and do that, go to find your settings app, tap on it. Now, in here, to make our life easier, tap on the search bar and just look for update. Okay, tap on it, and under security and privacy, you have updates. Tap on it. Now, once that's done, you'll be able to see updates right here if there's available, or you can just tap on updates. And if there are available updates, you can go ahead and tap on install and then just wait for the process to finish. All right. Now, the other option is by manually updating your keyboard app. So if your phone doesn't have a new system update available, you can often get access to newer emojis by updating your virtual keyboard app. So to go ahead and do that, go to your Play Store right here. Tap on it. Now tap on your profile. Go to Manage Apps and Device. Updates available right here. Just tap on it. Now check to see if your keyboard is available for update. If it's available for update, well, go ahead and install the update for your keyboard. Or since you're here, might as well update all of your applications. All right. Now, lastly, here as a bonus, go ahead and open up the keyboard. Let's say you popped out your keyboard right here. Well, go ahead and tap on the emoji section. Now swipe right, or from here at the very top, swipe right, go to the cogwheel or settings icon, and just make sure that everything is enabled right here so that everything from here will be updated as well. So that's how simple it is to update your emojis on your Android device. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.